Hey, welcome to my Anton Earn Money channel. Today we want to talk about the different ranges or types of associate or affiliate advertising. The advantages of affiliate advertising is extra obvious today than previously. This is among the primary factor for the enormous popularity of associate advertising and marketing programs among a lot of countless internet marketing professionals. Latest internet technology has actually made it possible for the associate marketing professionals to get their stats and income figures the minute they make an affiliate sale. It is currently possible to utilize business like PayPal for repayment and also receipt processing. This has extremely stopped the time that an associate marketing professional requires to await his payments to be gathered from the merchants. Both the affiliates and also the sellers have now understood that affiliate advertising works for both of them. The vendors view affiliate advertising and marketing as an opportunity to advertise their items at a much lesser cost. On the other hand, the associates see affiliate advertising as an uncomplicated method of gaining earnings online by doing something which they like most, which is web publishing. Just as the popularity of associate advertising and marketing has actually entered into overdrive, likewise, the overview of individuals has actually altered right about affiliate advertising. Affiliate marketing is no more taken into consideration as a secondary approach of advertising by the vendors or as an additional earnings resource by an affiliate online marketer. For merchants as well as associates alike, affiliate advertising and marketing is currently taken into consideration as a main resource of earnings as well as incomes. We currently need to analyze what sort of associate marketing will function best for any person. Exist any differences in affiliate advertising and marketing programs? Are the repayments from these programs the same? Which are those affiliate marketing programs that work much better than the others? There are really selections of affiliate advertising and the kinds will depend on how you are going to categorize them. The key classification of affiliate marketing programs drops under two classifications: pay-per-click PPC and pay-per-performance PPP. First, let's look at the PPC. PPC is one of the most preferred kind of associate marketing for associates with little internet sites and probably the simplest means for them to make money. In this associate advertising type, the merchant pays his affiliate whenever a site visitor is referred to his site, that is, whenever a person clicks through the seller's banner or message ads. The associate makes money a certain quantity even if the visitor he referred does not purchase anything from the merchant's website. However, regular costs per pay per click associate programs are tiny, normally not surpassing a buck for every single click. Second, pay per performance. PPP. PPP associate advertising is well liked among sellers and is additionally one of the most satisfying kind for the affiliates. In this kind of associate program, the seller pays the affiliate only when his reference converts into an action. That is, whenever the site visitor he has referred actually acquires something from the seller's website or when the site visitor ends up being a lead. This implies that the seller saves a great deal on his very own straight advertising and marketing efforts. On the other hand, this type of affiliate marketing ends up being financially most satisfying for the specialized affiliate, for commissions in PPP affiliate advertising and marketing normally comes in the variety of 15% to 20% of the actual product sales. As well as in the case of e-products or e-goods, the associate payment can go as high as 70 to 75% of the list price. Pay per performance associate advertising and marketing can additionally be identified right into two kinds: pay per sales PPS as well as pay per lead PPL. Both These are extremely preferred. A. Pay-per-sale PPS. In a pay-per-sale type of associate advertising, the sellers pay the affiliate a specific cost whenever the site visitor he has referred to, the merchant's website, really buys something from the vendor site. Affiliates are commonly paid on commission basis, although other merchants would certainly decide to pay a fixed charge. However, whatever the basis of the cost is, it is generally higher than the charge paid to associates in a pay-per-click associate program. B. Pay-per-lead. The pay-per-lead sort of affiliate advertising and marketing is a mild variation of the PPS kind and also is usually utilized by insurance policy as well as finance firms and various other firms that count on leads for their business to expand. In this sort of associate advertising and marketing, the affiliate is paid whenever the visitor he described the merchant site fills out an application or any type of similar type pertaining to business of the company. Settlement for this kind of associate marketing is based on a fixed cost whose price is approximate that of the dealt with charge in the PPS kind. Typically, the sales conversion price is the greatest in the case of PPL because the visitor is not called for to buy anything but only complete a non-financial purchase, like filling up an application form, subscribing to a newsletter, etc. In addition to these three particular sorts of affiliate advertising and marketing, a lot of various other affiliate marketing types exist. If the category is based on the deepness of the affiliate network, it can be categorized as single-tier, two-tier, or multi-tier associate advertising and marketing. There is also another kind of associate advertising and marketing that pays the affiliate each time the consumer he has actually referred purchases something from the vendor's website. Single-tier, two-tier, and multi-tier associate advertising. These types of associate advertising are based on the different levels or rates in the affiliate network by which payments are made. A single tier. In a single tier associate advertising and marketing program, the affiliates are just paid based upon the straight sales or traffic he has described the vendor. All the formerly mentioned affiliate advertising and marketing kinds, for example PPS, PPL or PPC, fall under the single-tier classification. B. Two-rate. In two-tier affiliate advertising and marketing programs, the affiliates are not just paid for the direct website traffic or sales that he offers the seller's website, but also on every traffic or sales referred by various other affiliates that joined as sub-affiliate of the above associate online marketer. C. Multi-rate. Multi-tier associate marketing works similarly, although the affiliate gets extra payment for more variety of levels of associates in various rates in the associate network. D. Residual income associate advertising. In this type, aside from the associate earning money for every customer he has referred to the merchant's website, the associate is likewise paid whenever the consumer he has referred returns to the merchant's website and also purchases an additional item. Compensation for such kind of associate advertising is based upon either portion of sales or based upon dealt with cost. Every affiliate marketing professional locates that these various affiliate advertising and marketing approaches function in a different way for each of them. For instance, multi-tier associate marketing, likewise called multi-level advertising or multi-level marketing, is a very difficult type of online marketing and also it does not benefit every person. As a matter of fact, lots of legitimate marketing professionals think about online marketing as illegal or something which is undesirable. An affiliate marketer has to try out different techniques and determine which will work best for him or her. He or she should after that focus on those affiliate advertising and marketing approaches which are suitable for his or her style of online marketing company. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and watch out for the next video, or check out the link in the description about how to make money online with videos. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye bye.